What's up, guys? Welcome back to Off Earth. I'm Daryl, as always. I know it's been a while. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays and most importantly, making some dope stuff. So today I am going to be painting something, big surprise. And this project was actually presented to me by Mike, the host at Armor Party Show on your favorite podcast network. Link in the description. He picked 10 of his favorite painters or artists to participate in a ornament painting. So we're going to be painting an ornament today. It's not going to be a lot of talking. I'll show you guys the products that I'm going to be using. And if you're interested to know more about this ornament painting, you can check it out on his Instagram at Hondo Supply. I'll link that down below as well. I'm just very happy to be chosen as one of his favorite painters to paint something. So I'm going to show you the ornament, what I've done so far, and we're going to get right to it. So this is the ornament project. I was sent this really cool mythosaur ornament from Mike. This is the base. It was laser cut acrylic. As you can see, kind of got the little score marks there on the protective paper. That's going to come off here soon. But I already went ahead and chromed all the parts that I want chromed, which are all the overlays that attach to the base. So we're going to add some texture. We're going to get some paints on this thing and see what we come up with. And like I said earlier, if you want to check out the ornament project, head on over to Hondo Supply's Instagram page. And you might also want to pick yourself up a ID card. He makes some really cool ID cards for your Star Wars cosplay. So let's get to it. One more time.